Hello, I'm Lilith and I learn at Makhitar Sabasati Edu Complex. In our class we practice the program Notebook My Classmate and we go to school with notebooks.
Study. As you know, we study under the program Personal Netbook Classmate.
We want to introduce to you what we have done during this term at our English lessons.
During our lessons, we use online sites.
We use elfast.com for listening and reading comprehension.
LearnEnglish.com for exercises and audio-video lessons, and many other sites.
We make presentations on different topics and events that interest us.
Translation is an inseparable part of our study. You can read them on mskh.am.
We use Hotmail actively. Our teachers send assignments to our emails and we fulfill them and send back.
At the end of each month, we take a test to check our progress.
Most of us also took part in the Spring Olympiad.
I'd like you to study at Makhitar Sabasati Educational Complex.
Visit us and you will see.